Puli Manga, Pulip, Puli Mame, Puli Manga, Pulip, Puli Mame, Puli Manga, Pulip.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're back with another cooking video. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and we're back with another cooking video.
Vadapu vada and vadapu fries pannirundom. So today we're back with another fantastic recipe for you.
What are you making?
Jalapeno poppers.
Yes, something that's like really easy and really simple. Okay, jalapeno poppers.
And it's really like easy to make. You don't need that much time.
Nope.
And it has simple ingredients.
Yep.
So without further ado, let's get to the video. So for this jalapeno poppers, you need like really simple ingredients. You need panko crumbs, breadcrumbs. So you can use like regular crumbs, or you can make them at home. So either way, anything works for this recipe.
Next, you need cheese. So we cut them up
to small cubes, or
just
cube pieces.
Yeah, and then we also cut some jalapeno.
So the story behind this is,
yes.
We cut the stem. You can see here, we cut the stem, and then the stem that we used it for the cheese mixture, or like an inch maybe, you can cut that off,
yeah.
And then chop that up and mix it with the cheese.
That's the green things inside the cheese.
And then you need 2 eggs. Is that all we need? Oh,
That's pretty much it.
And salt if needed. We're using unsalted cheese, so
we're also using garlic salt instead of salt too.
Yeah, so it gives us a nice garlic flavor to it. So that's about it, guys. It's super easy. You only need 4 ingredients, and
yes.
That's it. And you'll have this, and oil, guys. Oil for frying. Okay, so I mean, if I stay here, I'm gonna keep talking. Here we have our cheese into cut up bite size with the chopped up jalapeno in stems, and then in another bowl we have the panko breadcrumbs. See that? And in another bowl we're gonna put the eggs in here.
Egg number 1. We're using 2 eggs because we're using 2 packs of jalapeno, but you guys can use it as desired.
So that's good. And then we have the crumbs here. And then, so we're gonna clean the jalapenos like this. You can see all the way to the end. I have 2 or 3 left, of which I want to show you how to clean, guys. So now we're going to start stuffing the jalapenos. So let us know in the comments below, guys, if you guys want to hear a story time while we're doing a cooking video.
So we put some all-purpose flour into the egg.
So it gives them a thicker consistency. Why are you eating those? While this is happening, make sure to preheat your oil, guys. I know she mentioned this already. So you guys don't have to wait for the oil to heat up when you're done with all this. See, look at that. Do you have a strong feeling of what?
That when we fry it, it's gonna.
Okay, do not give this false hope to our audience, okay?
And if you guys want us to try any other food recipes,
please do leave it in the comment box.
yeah.
Comment box. Just, yeah, comment box. So, should I go fry it?
If the oil is
Can you do this again? Okay, can you wait? So we're gonna go ahead and fry the poppers.
It came out really good. Like, looks really pretty too.
Yeah, I can just eat it like this, guys.
Okay, go.
Okay.
I mean, eat it.
Okay, let's see how this turns out.
Looking
Not bad,
good.
Not bad, not bad. You wanna go ahead and toss another one in?
I'll put them in, okay?
Yeah. Just put some in, okay? Because I can't handle a lot of
Okay, I'll put
pressure.
3. So it's turning out really good, if you guys can see.
I'll show you one.
Oh, look. Turning out really
You
nice.
guys, so we made our jalapeno poppers. It turned out really, really good. Like you can see, like the texture and everything.
Yeah.
Nice and crispy and golden brown. How it looks inside.
Maybe if you open it. Oh no, it won't work like that. It's really good. And then the cheese bowl. Let's see the cheese bowl, guys. Oh my god. Oh, look at that. It's never ending.
Oh, that is a nice piece of gooiness.
Try this at home and let us know in the comments below, guys, how it turned out for you guys. So that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment down below on what else you guys want us to try.
Puli Manga, Pulip. Puli Manga, Pulip.